Hi guys, welcome back for a new video. Today we have unboxing of Lenovo 10-inch tablet. Let's start opening it. Previous about a Bosch tablet, and now I go to Lenovo tablet. Both tablets are 10-inch. So this is 10-inch Lenovo Android tablet. You got pretty thin tablet, light. You got a camera here. You got another camera here. And you got power button, volume button, power socket. Inside we have a plug, charger plug, UK charger plug, and we got product information manual. We got a safety warranty, quick start guide, then we got Lenovo internet safety in many languages book. Then we got a charger, and is a micro USB cable, and that's pretty much it. So all you got in this pack is Lenovo tablet with micro USB charger, manuals, and that's it. Let's see if it's charged already. Yes, it is. So if you want a review for this tablet, watch my next video, and until then, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share and like it on social media. And this is the Lenovo 10-inch tablet. I think it has 16 GB of memory and 2 GB of RAM. Yeah, it's working. So thanks again guys, and don't forget to click on that bell to watch notification, to have notification when I upload a new video. Thanks, until next time, all the best. See ya.